Today, as you all know, that Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge Saab, they took up a major investigation on this vote chori. On Freedom Park, they came to Bangalore. Before that, a press conference was being conducted here. Initially, they took from Karnataka, from Mahadevpura. I think now it has gone to Haryana, Bihar and different parts of the country. I am very happy that the AICC made a very big research team, worked very hard and found out the irregularities which was being done in the voter list and vote chori. So after Rahul ji came to Bangalore in the Freedom Park along with Mr. Kharge Saab, Venugopal ji and our Surjewala ji from Karnataka, they explained the situation, how this has been happened, and we all knew that. So I would like to thank and congratulate some of the media team who have done a personal investigation apart from what Rahul ji spoke. You have went to the houses, you have went to the brewery, you have visited various shops, where in one shop 88 votes were there, in brewery 56 votes were there, multiple names was been found, and different type of angle they wanted to, the voters was being theft. In some cases, in some constituency, there were shuffling of voters. Suppose in one assembly segment there are 2,40,000 votes. 2,40,000 votes would have been there. They have shifted it to different booths. Say here one gentleman is there, one DCC president, Mr. Hanumantrayappa. In one Raja Rajeshwaran constituency, I am telling you. Particular community vote, they have shifted to different, deleted their name. In 5 names, some ex-community is there. 3 names would be there, 2 names would have been shifted out. Scheduled caste, backward class, minorities, all voters have been deleted. Like that, the entire state was being done. Before the assembly election, they hired one Chilme institution. That is one of the biggest scandal in the history of Karnataka. We found out, and some of the bureaucrats also is being suspended on that issue. Anyway, with the people of blessings of people of Karnataka, we would come back to power. We came to power, and we are doing our best. Now in the parliament election, I think we started again the investigation, and my AICC research team and the KPCC research team also joined together, and we exhibited how things has happened. So a call was being given by our leader, Shri Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge ji, that this has to be informed to all the voters of this country. Now it has reached Maharashtra, it has reached Bihar, it has reached Haryana and all other different part of the states. Now a call was being given to see that to educate the people of this country, and a signature campaign was given to have a signature campaign. I am very proud that the party cadres, the workers, the block presidents, the booth presidents and all the legislators, all of them joined together in their constituency. We have done more than 1 crore 21 lakhs signatures have been done, and we are presenting them, all of them, to the AICC. And still we thought that today is the last day, but again I think AICC has decided to have a massive other week time, a massive gathering will be conducted in Delhi, and lots of signatures are coming from all over the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from east to west, north to south, and we are presenting. Though I may be a deputy CM, but I have come here as a party worker and a party president. It is my bound duty. My Chandrasekhar is there, my working president. Some of our DCC presidents are there. My campaigning committee chairman is there. All of us, AICC secretary, Mr. entire our Dutt and his team, under the leadership of Surjewala ji, on the direction of Mr. Venugopal ji, we have been taking up this task, and I was told that we are number 1, but still some of the states may overcome us also. I welcome them. I want the other states to do better than us. That is what our requests and prayers are there. So I think they all are working very hard. I would like to congratulate and thank all the workers of this country who are doing this great job to save the vote. One man, one vote. That should be there, and the legality should be there. Looking at us, already the SIR has been announced. I would like to thank the court also gave a direction on this issue, but still Rahulji walked and travelled various about 10 days. He travelled in Bihar, tried to educate them, but I know that still the government and the election commission could not cooperate on that issue. But anyway, I don't try to take that forward. Today, my AICC office bearer secretaries are here who have been in charge of this collection. So I thought that I will come and present all this, whatever the signatures we have collected. Every signature has the telephone number and all the details of their booths which are there. The next stage is that we have already started this BLA, that is important. BLA 2, because they will be responsible, which has been given by the Constitution. We know that the Constitution is being misused, and whatever the autonomy has been given by the Constitution to these various institutions has been misused. So we are urging them, give us justice. Injustice should not be flown from the seat of justice. They are in the seat of power with justice. They should not misuse us. So we are trying to educate this entire country. So vote chori, I think has been happened. I think better they should quit this office, whatever may be. Anyway, I hope good days are coming. We are very happy that the entire cadres of this country, I am not speaking only on the Congress party or the India bloc. Every booth, every state, this has been happening. All of us should be educated. We should do our job. Being a political party, major political party which has brought freedom, which has brought national anthem, which has brought a national flag, which has got constitution. It is our bound duty to protect this country. So I hope that all of us, let us all join together, work together and see that every vote is being saved and democracy is saved. That is why I have come with all my, some of the important leaders to present it to my our AICC office bearer. Both of them youngsters, they are there. We will hand over these signatures to them. Rest will follow later. Just now I met Karge Saab. I went to his house, informed him, gave him a letter, what is that we have done, took his blessing, informed him, because it is his home state. So he gave us an audience to us and he blessed us on this issue. You have done a good job. He congratulated us. So this message has go to the entire country. This is not only for us. Thank you. Anything you want, I can answer to you.
Sir, you have mentioned about SIR in particular. Whenever this question is being asked to the election commission, they always say that this is the only reason that we are conducting this entire exercise all across the country. So do you welcome this step of election commission?
Of course, they have come to know that they have done something wrong. They have admitted themselves they have done something wrong. That itself is a very clear message that misuse of office has been taken place. I would still urge the election commission, whatever the agencies you are giving, internal agency you are giving, you have to keep a watch on them. They are just misusing the internal agency. They are trying to shuffle things, and they have been, if I speak something, it will go in a very different way. But be cautious. Ultimately, you have to look at your own conscience also, what is going on in your conscience. That is why Rahul ji and all of my party leaders have taken to the streets of this country.
Okay. Do you think this vote chori is going to have an impact on the Bihar results?
See, I don't want to tell on that, but I am very firm that election commission has not given justice to Bihar voters.
Sir, there are media reports that the Congress's High Command has refused to entertain the plea of changing Chief Minister in Karnataka. Is it correct?
Pardon?
The Congress High Command has refused to entertain the plea of changing Chief Minister in Karnataka. Is it correct, sir? There are reports.
I am not here to speak on politics. I am here to speak to save democracy, save constitution, save the vote here. We will discuss with you later at the appropriate time. Ivattu, I don't want to answer any political answer.
Sir, why did you say that EC has not done justice to the Bihar voters?
I am telling you, whatever the number of voters was being identified, that has not, because I visited there. I just checked up. There are so many examples which are being there. They have frightened, they have threatened. I have met all the voters even in Bangalore also. Those who had their voters there, they wanted to come and vote here. I know how though they have kept their vote there, they have deleted all their votes. Some of the employees are there. They want to keep their vote at the home. I have met thousands of voters. I requested them. Then they found out that their votes are not there. They have not given deletion list. So they feel that all these people who they have come for their job. Their vote have been deleted. They know that all they are poor people. They vote for the Mahagathbandhan. That is how they are deleted it.
The BJP leader posted a video of the Keeping terminal showing that there were people offering namaz, and he has questioned your.
I don't want to comment that. I will discuss later. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬನ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತು. 100 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು 100 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದವರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮತದಾನದ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೋಟು, ಆ ವೋಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮತ ಕಳ್ತನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ACC ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಟೀಮು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನ್ಸೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಟೀಮು, KPCC ಟೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ದು. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂದ ಈ ಹೋರಾಟ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಿಹಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಹರಿಯಾಣ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಿಂತನೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು, ಸೆಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ತಲುಪಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ACCಯಿಂದ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದವರು ಕೂಡ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳೇನು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಈ ವೋಟ್ ಚೋರಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದೋ, ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದು ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.